Fuel your morning or power up your afternoon if you're into intermittent fasting with this vibrant and nutrient-packed chia pudding, infused with antioxidant-rich blackberries and the health benefits of C60 Power Coconut MCT Oil. This creamy, dreamy dish is as delicious as it is beautiful and energizing. So we're gonna make our amazing purple chia pudding with C60 powered MCT oil that's coconut with coconut milk from a can. It's organic coconut milk, and we have some sweetener. We have both vanilla extract as well as a little bit of maple syrup, local maple syrup, some delicious and nutritious, high in fiber blackberries that are also organic. And of course, you can't make chia pudding without the chia. Chia is also very high in fiber and is a great way to start your day. All right, I'm gonna put the milk in. It's a cup of milk. We are putting in a half of a cup of blackberries, C60 MCT oil, of vanilla, and a little bit of maple syrup, just a touch. Okay, so we're going to blend that up. All right, so then we're going to put the chia seeds in and pour in our liquid. Look at that, so beautiful. Stir it up. Stir it up. And we're going to pop that in the fridge. Looks pretty good.